Assalamualaikum, my name is Ala Shafika. I will start with introduction of two-pack test. Two-pack test is a surveying operation carried out to determine whether the leveling bubble and telescope line of sight are parallel. It also to determine whether or not your automatic level can provide a genuine horizontal reading. Besides, it's also necessary to guarantee that your measurements are precise and accurate before start leveling work. Basically, this concept is the level reading error are caused by the instrument not sighting horizontally. And the main objective of this test is to determine if the leveling bubble exists and telescope line of sight, which is line of collimation, are parallel.
The apparatus and materials needed for the two-pack test is automatic level, tripod, staff bubble, plate staff, and meter tape.
This is the methodology. Firstly, the instrument was checked before performing a pack test for each group. The result on the pack test were recorded in the field book for each person in the group. Thirdly, set up the instrument and the ground was marked using the wooden peg driven into the earth or rafting nail in the tar around 2 points, which is 30 meters apart. Next, the figure 1 was referred. The star was read on each back side and front side, and the height difference was calculated. Then the figure 2 was referred. The instrument then was moved by L/10 equal by 3 meter beyond one of the peg. Lastly, the staff was read on each peg again, and the height difference was calculated. For the data analysis, this is the distance for 30 meters. For the first setup, we got the height of 0.083, and for the second setup 0.082. For 60 meter, we got 0.004 for the first setup and 0.002 for the second setup. The height difference between the two setup, which is 30 meters and 60 meters, is 0.001 and 0.002 respectively. From the result in the data table above, the data shown that m is not equal by m prime. For the setup at 30 meters, we got 0.083, and for the second setup is 0.082, while at the 60 meters we got m equal by 0.004, and for the setup and m prime equal by 0.002 at the second setup. The difference for distance 30 meters is 0.001, while the difference in distance 60 meters is 0.002. For the observation, we calculate by using this formula, and we got the difference. The error is plus minus 0.033 for the 30 meters, and for 60 meters is plus minus 0.033. For the discussion part, two-pack test is a surveying procedure used to determine whether the leveling bubbles and telescope line of sight are parallel. Level staff readings that will have been obtained if the line of collimation was horizontal, where there is error in each of the reading due to the collimation error, and the effect of which is to tell the line of the sight by the angle. So two-pack tests are placed 30 meters apart and 60 meters apart, and the tripod is placed in the middle of the staff. The height was calculated. The height difference was calculated by using this formula: m equal by s1 minus by s2. In this experiment, we can see there is different height between the first setup and second setup. Then the error was calculated by using this formula.
As for the conclusion, leveling is important because gravity is by far the most important force in building durability and function. This includes removal, excavation, demolition of existing structures. Working parallel and perpendicular to gravity is the basis of building design and construction. That's all from the two-pack test. Thank you.